Ever feel like everyone's talking about the same side hustles? Driving for Uber, selling stuff on Etsy, starting a YouTube channel. But here's the thing, there are secret side hustles out there that most people never mention. Quiet moneymakers that don't flood your social media feed, but still rake in serious cash. Some of them sound too simple to be true. Others just fly under the radar because nobody's really talking about them. But they're real, and they're working for a lot of people who don't want a regular 9-to-5 life. Today, we're counting down 10 secret side hustles that quietly bring in thousands every month. If you've been looking for something different, this might just be what you need. And hey, if you find even one idea in this video that gets you excited, hit that like button and subscribe for more. 10th, audio transcription for private clients. Most people have heard of transcription jobs online, but here's the twist. Skip the big platforms. Instead, go direct. Reach out to small podcast creators, YouTubers, or even local businesses who need audio or video content turned into text. These smaller clients are often willing to pay more because they value a personal touch. Once you build a relationship, it's consistent work that pays better than crowded freelance sites. It's just you, a good set of headphones, and your keyboard. You don't need a fancy setup. Just make sure you're accurate, fast, and reliable. Some freelancers charge over $1 per audio minute. That's $60 per hour-long file, and it adds up fast. Plus, if you learn how to format transcripts for SEO or subtitles, you can offer premium services that bring in even more. 9. Renting out backyard spaces for events. This one sounds random, but it's a goldmine if you got the space. Think about it. People are always looking for cool spots to host birthdays, baby showers, or even small weddings. Instead of booking expensive venues, they're now turning to residential spaces that offer a more intimate vibe. Platforms like Peerspace and Gigster let you list your backyard for rent. You set the hours, the rules, and the price. Some hosts make $500 for a single-day event, and that's just the base rate. Add-ons like lighting, outdoor seating, or cleanup services can boost your earnings even more. If your space has a pool, garden, or just a great sunset view, that's a huge bonus. And the best part? You're still at home while the event's going on. 8. Test prototypes for startups. Startups are always building new tools, apps, and gadgets, but they need real people to test them. That's where you come in. You're not just giving your opinion, you're helping shape how the final product works. Companies will pay you to test websites, mobile apps, even physical products. Sometimes it's a one-time test, other times it's an ongoing gig. Sites like Respondent or user interviews are great, but reaching out directly on LinkedIn or startup forums can lead to even better paying jobs. Some testers make over $100 an hour for focused feedback sessions. And if you become a reliable tester, companies will come back to you again and again. It's simple. Use the tool, give honest feedback, and get paid. And no, you don't need any fancy qualifications. Just a sharp eye, patience, and clear communication. 7. Flipping digital items in games. This one's definitely not for everyone, but it's a secret goldmine for those who know the gaming world. Online games like RuneScape, FIFA, or CSGO have thriving digital marketplaces, and some players are making real money by buying low and selling high, just like a mini stock market. Whether it's rare skins, in-game currency, or digital cards, the idea is the same. You learn the market, buy items when prices drop, and resell them when they spike. Some people are making thousands per month doing this part-time. It does take time to learn the trends, but once you do, it becomes a routine. You don't need to be a top-tier player, just someone who understands how the market works. And the best part? You can do it from your couch with nothing more than a laptop and a good Wi-Fi connection. 6. Becoming a digital notary. Most people think notaries are stuck in an office with a stamp. But now, thanks to online laws in certain states and countries, you can become a certified digital notary and work entirely from home. That means you get paid to witness and verify signatures through video calls. It's a low-key hustle that pays anywhere from $25 to $100 per document. If you do several in a day, the income adds up quickly. And once you're certified, you can use platforms like Notarize or DocVerify to find clients. Or better yet, get your own clients and keep the full rate. This side hustle is perfect for people who are detail-oriented and reliable. The barrier to entry is surprisingly low, and it gives you a professional role without the hassle of a commute or rigid schedule. Just make sure to check your local regulations to get started the right way. 5. Creating templates and selling them. This one's perfect if you enjoy design or organization. People are always looking for templates, planners, resume formats, PowerPoint themes, budget sheets, you name it. You can make one, upload it to Etsy or Gumroad, and keep making money every time someone downloads it. The work is mostly upfront, but once your templates are out there, they keep earning without you having to touch them again. Some sellers are making over $5,000 a month from just a few well-designed templates. Even better, you don't need to be a professional designer. Tools like Canva make it super easy to create beautiful templates. Just think about what people need. Wedding planners, job hunters, students. Everyone loves a done-for-you file that saves them time. All you need is a little creativity and consistency. 4. Buying and selling parking spots. This one works especially well in big cities. If you can secure a parking space, either by owning it, renting it, or leasing it long-term, you can flip it for a higher rate. Some people pay hundreds of dollars a month just for a guaranteed place to park. There are entire businesses built around this idea. People are renting out spots during work hours, events, or weekends. You can use apps like Spot Hero, Spacer, or just local Facebook groups to list your space. And if you don't own a space, some smart hustlers are leasing lots or driveways from homeowners and then subleasing them. It's a smart move if you know the demand in your area. It's all about understanding location and timing. You're not selling a product, you're selling convenience. And in busy cities, that's worth a lot. 3. Moderating online communities. Every day, thousands of new online communities pop up. Forums, Discord servers, Reddit groups, Facebook pages. They all need someone to keep things running smoothly. That's where moderators come in. You don't need to code or build websites. Your job is to engage with members, enforce rules, and keep things friendly. Some communities pay flat monthly rates, while others offer hourly pay or bonuses for performance. The key is to find communities that are growing fast. Startups, crypto projects, or niche interest groups are a good place to look. Many of them will pay you just to keep the conversations going and make sure spam stays out. If you're already spending time online, why not get paid for it? 2. Local SEO for small businesses. Local businesses want to show up on Google when someone searches coffee near me or plumber in town. But many of them don't know how to improve their listings. That's where you come in. You don't need to be an SEO expert. Just learning the basics, like optimizing Google business profiles, getting reviews, and adding the right keywords, can get you paid. Small business owners are happy to spend a few $100s a month to appear higher in search results. This side hustle works well because you don't need a big client list. It's just a handful of businesses paying $300 to $500 each can create a solid income. And once you get results for one business, word spreads. It's a skill that's always in demand, and it keeps growing. 1. Renting out stuff you rarely use. This one's simple but super effective. Instead of selling things you rarely use, rent them out. Think camera gear, projectors, power tools, even camping equipment. There are people nearby who need that stuff for a weekend or a project, and they're willing to pay for it. You can list your items on sites like Fat Llama or Loanables. Some people make over $1,000 a month renting out just a few high-quality items. If you've got equipment sitting around collecting dust, why not make it work for you? Just take good photos, describe everything clearly, and keep your gear in great condition. And here's a bonus. If it goes well, you can buy more gear just for renting. That turns your side hustle into a real business over time. There you have it, 10 secret side hustles that most people never talk about, but that actually bring in serious money. Whether you want something low effort or something you can grow into a business, there's something here for everyone. You don't need to follow the crowd. Sometimes the quiet paths are the most profitable. Pick one that fits your style, try it out, and see what happens. You might be surprised how quickly things can grow. If you enjoyed this list, hit that like button. It really helps. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Got a side hustle of your own that's flying under the radar? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.